Hello and welcome to my Sunday Front. Today I have a new video, and this video is gonna be a requested video. So let's open and see what we have here. In this box I have here seamless under lash remover. So I think this is important if you wear fake lashes. This was only $3, guys. This is by Ardell. So I don't know how good this works, but I think it's important to have it. This is Diurex. I use this for bloating, like if you retain water a lot, if you eat too much salt. This is important to have. Oh yeah, the next box is just a refill of mouthwash, eyelash glue. These are professional eyelash glues, and they go from anywhere from something like 0.5 seconds to like 4 to 5 seconds drying time. So depending on what your needs are, there's different drying times, and this is MK03 by City Series Muraken, and this one is particularly 1 to 2 seconds. So for this particular video, I'm gonna put on these lashes. These are cat eye lashes by Kiss, and these are for long wear. And obviously I bought this glue just to use, and this is my first time putting lashes on. It says to shake the thing, and this, like, I don't have to use it until like the lashes look bad, and then I can take them off, or I don't want them, or they irritate me. What you do is you put the lashes under that lash line all the way around, and you start from the longest ones like this, and again the next eye. So this has approximately 2 sets. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. And the poke. Ooh. It's like really watery. So it says left eye. Left eye. This is my left eye. Just a seam, I guess, just a seam. A little bit of this glue. Like, I really don't see it drying because it's like so watery, and I don't want it in my eye. So is it really 2 seconds drying time, or is this cap? It's like itchy. Unfortunately, let's try the Ardell lash remover. Because it's probably mismatched. At the end of the day, I didn't want to put anything on my lashes, but that's what these call for, to put it on your lashes, and I don't want that. I got it out and I had to literally cut it into my cuticle scissors, and I lost 2 eyelashes, but like I said, I was having allergies and ew, icky. Like, you can tell I was having allergies when they came out. Like, oh, they were itchy. So I don't know, it kind of it gave it relief, but at the same point in time, like, why did I have to go through that? Oh, and I'm gonna cut this video because, like, I have mismatched product. It's so itchy. That's just my allergies reacting to all the chemical I put in my eye in the span of 5 minutes. Anyways, so for the bonding glue, I feel like I need a longer bonding time. So I'm gonna go, next time I'll try the 4. But for this price point, definitely is something that I like. But obviously, this is something that I don't know. I just feel like if I'm gonna use this, you know, I'd rather do a lash like this one. Like, I'd rather do this lash because this glue's good, but you know what I mean? Like, I'd rather put it up here and make sure, you know, like, it sounds like it'd be nice for the night out or whatever. It says it lasts about 7 to 8 weeks. But I mean, you know, with this, you can take it off. I give them all an 8, okay? Because, like, they do their job. So that's an 8, period. They do their job. And I just mix them up. So we're gonna put this away because I don't really need it. And I don't know, I guess it's just not my thing. So we're gonna put this away and just keep using mascara. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. My son different. Bye bye.